Hey guys, just quickly showing you how to get the game into Unity, um, so you can see uh, your art coming to life, and then we can, yeah, this is a simple, easy way. We'll show you a better way later, but this is just the. So I'll put this link in there in Discord. So all you need to do is go to that link that I'll put down. And, clone, download zip. Don't worry about that one. Unless you know GitHub and GitHub desktop, forget that. We'll save that. Okay, yeah, it's saved. So we're gonna go there, and we're gonna extract it somewhere. It really doesn't matter, but maybe extract it into TAFE folder or something. So we'll extract it somewhere into. I don't need it. That'll do. No. We'll just put it into. Make it easy. There you go. Extract. Alright. So that's all you need to do on this GitHub thing. So we don't need that. And so now we go to Unity. So we open up our Unity hub. And then instead we go to, well, we make sure projects, then add. And then we go, where did I put it? I put it on, C, and it's just cookies and Scream or something, wasn't it? There it is. Okay, so as long as we see that, we go back a level, and then choose that folder, select the folder, and then all we need to do is click on that, and we've got, it'll open up in Unity. So if you do that, and then just press the play button, you'll be able to see what we got. It would be great to see what you guys think. And because I really think we should try and have it pretty much finished by the end of this or coming week, so Friday ish. Yeah, cool. I'd like to see what you think this weekend, if you can. I'm gonna bug you till you do. All right, thanks. Bye.